और अयोध्या राम मंदिर में भी और आज के वक्त के संशोधन में भी मेरा एक ही मार्गदर्शक है, वो है भारत का संविधान। भारत का संविधान जो कहता है कि हमारा भारत में हर व्यक्ति को सामाजिक, आर्थिक और राजनीतिक न्याय, विचार, अभिव्यक्ति, विश्वास, धर्म और उपासना की स्वतंत्रता, और साथ साथ में यह कहता है कि व्यक्ति की गरिमा और राष्ट्र की अखंडता सुनिश्चित करने वाली बंधुता। ये बिल आज इस संविधान के इस जो मूल जो ढांचा है उस पर आक्रमण है, और इनकी जो पूरा जो भाषण था वो हमारे संविधान के इस मौलिक अधिकार पर, हमारे संघीय ढांचे पर एक आक्रमण था। आज इस सरकार का इस बिल के द्वारा 4 इनके मूल उद्देश्य। पहला मूल उद्देश्य है कि संविधान को कमजोर करना, टू डाइल्यूट द कॉन्स्टिट्यूशन। इनका दूसरा उद्देश्य है भ्रम फैलाना, टू डिफेम द माइनॉरिटी कम्युनिटीज ऑफ इंडिया। इनका तीसरा उद्देश्य है टू डिवाइड द इंडियन सोसाइटी। हमेशा एक हमारे बीच में एक लिटिगेशन चलता रहे, मसला और बढ़ता जाए, ये उनका उद्देश्य है। और चौथा इनका उद्देश्य डाइल्यूट, डिफेम, डिवाइड, और चौथा इनका उद्देश्य है टू डिसएनफ्रेंचाइज द माइनॉरिटी कम्युनिटीज। आज माइनॉरिटी कम्युनिटीज के प्रति अपनी संवेदना जता रहे हैं। सर, कुछ हफ्ते पहले देश में विभिन्न जगहों में लोगों ने ईद की शुभकामनाएं एक दूसरे को दी, और क्या आपको पता है कहां इनकी डबल इंजन की सरकार ने लोगों को रास्ते पे ईद का नमाज भी पढ़ने नहीं दिया, और ये बात करेंगे।
मैं अध्यक्ष सभापति महोदया ये कहना चाहता हूं कि वक्फ बिल भाजपा के लिए वाटर लू साबित होगा, क्योंकि ऊपर से तो हाँ हाँ कह रहे हैं, लेकिन अंदर ही अंदर बहुत सारे साथी सहमत नहीं हैं। मैं अंत में इतना ही कहना चाहता हूं कि ये वक्फ बिल जो लेकर के आए हैं, कोई उम्मीद लेकर के नहीं आ रहा है। ये सोची समझी रणनीति का हिस्सा है, क्योंकि इनका जो बोर्ड बिखर गया है, ये मुस्लिम में भी बंटवारा चाहते हैं। मुस्लिम इस्लाम धर्म में कहीं बंटवारा नजर नहीं आता है, लेकिन इनकी कोशिश है कि इस बिल के माध्यम से हम मुस्लिम भाईचारा में भी बंटवारा करते हैं।
मैडम, the Waqf is an institution for religious and charitable purpose. The Muslim have constitutional right to manage its own affairs in the matter of religion, because Waqf property belongs to Allah. They have also the right to administer such property. The purpose of the bill is a clear breach of the right of the Muslims to perform their religion duty, to manage their religious affairs, and therefore completely in violation of Article 26 of the Constitution of India. The bill hits basic structure of the Constitution. The Muslim law relating to trust differs fundamentally from the English law. Hindu trust follows the English law. Muslim law doesn't follow English law. That is a basic difference. Mr. Amir Ali said the Mohammedan law owes its origin to a rule laid down by the Prophet of Islam, and means the tying up of a property in the ownership of God the Almighty and the devotion of the prophets for the benefit of the human beings. As a result of the creation of a waqf, the rights of the waqif is extinguished and the ownership is transferred to the Almighty. It is religious. If it is religious, comes within the ambit and scope of Article 26 of the Constitution. The title of the Act has been amended: Unified Waqf Management, Empowerment, Efficiency and Development. There is no rational basis to make such amendment of the title of the Act. Every Act is intended to make the Act more efficient and development purposes. As for example, the Companies Act was enacted in 1956, thereafter re-enacted in 2013. The act was brought to regulate the management, empowerment, efficiency and development of the control of the companies. The Walk-up Act 1995 had various provisions for management, empowerment, efficiency and development. Therefore, the said proposed amendment to the title is wholly unwarranted. The title, which is being used nearly for 75 years, has no necessity to be amended unless the government wants to have the satisfaction that something new has been done. The proposed amendment to the Walk-up Act, which includes a tacit attempt to alter or dilute the historical and religious significance of the term walk-up, is deeply concerning and warrants strong objection. The term walk-up is not merely legal or administrative level. It is a sacred concept deeply rooted in Islamic tradition and jurisprudence. Why you are taking away this?
Sir, Madam, I dare to say the Honorable Minister, please go through your speeches tomorrow by text. Compile the text and do tally with the JPC report and the documents submitted with the JPC. If it tallies, I will resign from this house. You recall your memory. When you introduced this bill, you said, what prompted to introduce this bill? One of the classical examples that has been given by you, the reason for this bill to be piloted, when you introduced, in Tamil Nadu, in Tiruchirappalli district, entire village, running thousands of acres, were described as work property. JPC came into Tamil Nadu. The district collector came to depose evidence, and the secretary of the revenue department came to the evidence. CEO of the court came to evidence. All three officers came to JPC. The chairman is sitting here. Deposed the evidence. The cock and bull story that has been built by you and expressed by you has been demolished. In spite of the cock and bull story, no interference. No interference. Having said the cock and bull story, now we are coming at new cock and bull stories to say the parliament was given to Waqf board. Sir, madam, the irony is that the minorities' rights are going to be protected by way of this bill, where the party is having no members of parliament Muslim community. There is no Muslim MP to introduce and pilot the bill and support the cause of the bill. They are not able to produce a single member of parliament, and they are giving moral advice to us how the secularism can be protected.